Hey guys, I'm back with a quick video telling y'all how I grew my hair within 4 months. Let's get to it. First we have some coconut oil. Then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to use 1 egg and just 1 banana or 2 if you got a lot of hair, and some apple cider vinegar. So now we're just going to combine everything together in the bullet. You could use a blender if you got a blender, but I choose to use the bullet. So now we're all done. Just gonna give it a little shake, pour it out, and we're ready to apply. All of these ingredients stimulate growth in your hair, so it's very good. I also use these 4 oils to grow my hair. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.